Business intelligence is about searching meaningful patterns. Now, we are going to look into what business intelligence implies for businesses regarding smart decision-making. Business intelligence has many definitions. First, it is a technology-driven process for analyzing data and delivering actionable information that helps business executives, managers, and workers to make informed business decisions. It is also known as knowledge gained through the access and analysis of business information. In a more technical definition, business intelligence is a term used by hardware and software vendors and information technology consultants to describe the infrastructure for warehousing, integrating, reporting, and analyzing data that comes from the business environment, including big data. The foundation infrastructure collects, stores, cleans, and makes relevant information available to managers. Its purpose is to provide insight to decision makers. Business cycles are a series of steps that include 1. Information mining, which refers to utilizing data sets, insights, and artificial intelligence to uncover patterns in enormous data sets. 2. Detailing or sharing information examination to partners so they can make determinations and decide. 3. Execution measurements and benchmarking, or contrasting current execution information with chronicled information to follow execution against objectives, normally utilizing modified dashboards. 4. Illustrative investigation, or utilizing fundamental information examination to discover what occurred. 5. Questioning by posing the information explicit inquiries, business intelligence pulling the appropriate responses from the datasets. 6. Factual examination by taking the outcomes from unmistakable investigation and further investigating the information utilizing measurements. For example, how this pattern occurred and why. 7. Information perception, or transforming information. Examination into visual portrayals like diagrams, charts, and histograms to all the more effectively burn through information. 8. Visual investigation, that is, investigating information through visual narrating to impart bits of knowledge on the fly and stay in the progression of examination. And 9. Information readiness, or ordering various information sources, recognizing the measurements and estimations, setting it up for information investigation. Business intelligence is relevant for businesses because 1. Business knowledge can help organizations settle on better choices. By showing present and authentic information inside their business settings, investigators can use business intelligence to give execution and contender benchmarks to make the association run smoother, and all the more productively. And experts can likewise more effectively spot market patterns to build deals or income. Utilized successfully, the correct information can assist with anything from consistency to employing endeavors. Business intelligence and business analytics provide a platform to transform raw data generated within a business environment to transform it to information so users can make decisions. Users can access the platform depending on their profiles on a specialized interface, and the platform provides the infrastructure, analytics toolset, and access to users so they can make decisions. Top players within the business intelligence market include Oracle, SAP, IBM, Microsoft, the SAS Institute, among others. At this time, we are going to look into what business intelligence means for governments and its relation to smart public administration. Large amounts of data can be managed in order to make good decisions regarding public services offered to the general public. Also, business intelligence is used in different public and private sector organizations. Business intelligence offers different advantages to governments, among which are 1. Competitiveness measurement, 2. Information standards traceability, 3. Service improvement analysis for financial performance tracking, and 5. Data access provision. However, there are numerous challenges posed by business intelligence systems within governmental settings. These challenges include 1. Data integration usefulness, 2. Workforce qualification gaps, 3. Financial pressures due to new technologies, 4. Data management and privacy subject to national and international legislation, and 5. Data literacy from citizens. Some examples of business intelligence in government settings include the York Regional Police, who developed web-focused dashboards to support process improvement and efficiency increase, the Metropolitan Nashville Public Schools, who use Data Quality Campaign, a data warehouse to improve student performance by ensuring access to relevant information, and Florida's Department of Juvenile Justice, who uses business intelligence to provide complete views of juvenile offenders by creating reports. Finally, we will look into the concepts of data warehouse and data mining, which purpose is the storage and management of data. A data warehouse is designed to enable and support business intelligence activities, especially analytics. It centralizes and stores data, as well as extracting, loading and transforming data for analysis. Additionally, it can perform statistical analysis, generates reports, and has mining capabilities. It also analyzes clients and presents visual results to business users. A few offer more sophisticated analytical applications, generate actionable information through data science and artificial intelligence. Here we can see a brief history of data warehouses. In 1960, the terms dimensions and facts are developed. Next, in 1970, dimensional data marts for retail are developed. In 1983, a decision support database management system is introduced by Teradata Corporation. In the late 1980s, IBM started data warehousing by developing the business data warehouse. Inman Bill is accredited as the father of data warehouse. There are three types of data warehouses: 1. The enterprise data warehouse, 2. The operational data store, and 3. The data mart. Also, there are 4 general stages of data warehouses: 1. The offline operational database, 2. The offline data warehouse, 3. The real-time data warehouse, and 4. The integrated data warehouse. Data warehouses have the following components: 1. Load manager, 2. A warehouse manager, 3. A query manager, and 4. Access tools for end users. Also, the data warehouse implementation strategy follows the following path: 1. The development of the enterprise strategy, 2. The phase delivery, and 3. The iterative prototyping. Here, we can see some examples for the key steps in data warehouse implementation along with its deliverables. For instance, the task to define operational data store requirements has an associated deliverable of operational data store model. Some of the most prominent data warehousing tools in the market include 1. MarkLogic, 2. Oracle, and 3. Amazon Redshift. Table 1 describes 5 companies that use MarkLogic in their operations. The Federal Emergency Management Agency, FEMA, and 3M are among these key players. Similarly, Table 2 describes 5 companies that use Oracle 12 in their operations. The Federal Emergency Management Agency, FEMA, and the American Red Cross are among them. Likewise, Table 3 describes 5 companies that use Amazon Redshift in their operations. The Hyatt Hotels Corporation and the American Red Cross use this type of solution. Some of the pros of data warehousing include 1. Speedy data retrieving, 2. Error identification and correction, and 3. Easy integration. On the contrary, a few of the cons of data warehousing include 1. Time-consuming preparation, 2. Difficulty in compatibility, 3. Maintenance costs, and 4. Limited use due to confidential information. Data mining is defined as a process used to extract usable data from a larger set of any raw data. It implies analyzing data patterns in large batches of data using one or more software. Data mining has applications in multiple fields, like science and research. This helps businesses be closer to their objective and make better decisions. Data mining involves effective data collection and warehousing as well as computer processing. For segmenting the data and evaluating the probability of future events, data mining uses sophisticated mathematical algorithms. Data mining is also known as knowledge discovery in data, KDD. A few key features of data mining include 1. The automatic pattern predictions based on trend and behavior analysis, 2. Prediction based on likely outcomes, 3. Creation of decision-oriented information, 4. Focus on large data sets and databases for analysis, and 5. Clustering based on finding and visually documented groups of facts not previously known. Data mining programs analyze relationships and patterns in data based on what users request. For example, a company can use data mining software to create classes of information. To illustrate, imagine a restaurant wants to use data mining to determine when it should offer certain specials. It looks at the information it has collected and creates classes based on when customers visit and what they order. In other cases, data miners find clusters of information based on logical relationships, or look at associations and sequential patterns to draw conclusions about trends in consumer behavior. For further research, you can look into our sources of information.